Oh, wait. Okay, what is this?
What happened?
So I'm trying to handle the edge case where if you put in different arguments of different types.
Okay.
I just added another if statement at the end. Yes, if the types are not equal,
Okay.
it returns argument must be the same type.
Okay.
But the function call is saying, there's an error saying that the type of like the string is undefined.
Hold on a second. Can you send me only that if block, that if type?
Sure.
So that I'll just check on my side here.
Oh, you know what? Actually, I know why.
Okay, most probably that, yeah, I'm missing closing bracket. Yeah.
Yep. Hey, I think I'm done. Let's try this.
Okay. Sounds good. So I sent you one example on arrays.
Oh.
Just copy all this code into some notepad or something like that for future reference and use the new one. That's it.
Okay. So I'll just like erase everything. Well, not erase, but like I'll clear my notepad and put it somewhere else, right?
Yeah, yeah. By the way, did you try that inserting the beginning at the beginning of the array?
Yeah, I did.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
So like I don't know if you can see my screen.
Yeah, I can see your screen, but the font size is slightly small. That's it.
Oh.
Yeah, no problem. That's fine.
So I started with the array 1, 2, 3, and then I added 5.
Sounds good. Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Okay. Wait, what? Did you send something else?
Yeah, I gave you some arrays dummy example like fruits.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So just gave you some example like dealing with strings.
So, so what's the next step here?
So declare. How do I say that? Hold on a second. So concatenate two arrays.
Oh.
Or how do I say? Merge them together.
Okay. Whoa, interesting. So the arrays are different types.
No, I declare one more array, string array, not a big deal.
Okay.
Like apple, orange, banana, then add one more array like fruits, another fruits.
Okay.
Maybe we'll learn how to do mixing types subsequently. Yeah.
I can't think of other fruits right now.
Just come up with something. Apple is there already. Okay. Green apple.
Thanks. Oh. Wait. Uh, that's not right.
Hold on, let me see. Hold on, I need to move my screen slightly.
Okay. So I did the spread operator because I couldn't do it the other way.
Hold on, only 1 second. Interestingly, I didn't even know that that option is there. So spread operator, yeah, that's okay. What was our doubt?
So at first,
Okay, like that you merged it like that. You are actually printing. You are not merging.
oh, well, I would
I'll give you an example of merging. So sorry. That's it. Okay. Is that the way to do it? Just curious. I myself is wondering. Hold on, I'm sending you an example.
okay.
So actually concatenating the two arrays into one, but should I call it merging or should I call it?
Let me see.
That's it.
Oh, you can call it the concat function on arrays.
Yeah.
I think this TypeScript browser, well, not browser, but this thing is. I mean, I'm not sure.
Yeah, but it works though.
Yeah, I run it. Yeah, it works.
Try this. Actually, I've never tried this, but hold on, let me try myself. Hold on. Hold on, then I'll just try something new here on my side. So give me a second. Oh, this is not working, is it?
Did you send something?
No, no, not yet. Did it work or did that not work?
It worked, but it just gives a warning.
What kind of warning were you getting? No.
It says no overload matches this call.
Hold on, let me see that. No overloader. Let me see that. Okay, it did work. Huh? Okay, interesting. Okay, I have one more approach. So let me try that first before I send it to you. So 1 second, I'm just testing something, okay? So please wait.
Okay.
This will add both of them together. Oh, good lord! It's actually using. It's actually counting. Actually, not using it. I thought there was a function called push. Okay, I was thinking that that push function would push the contents one above the other, but it wasn't actually doing that. That's interesting. I didn't know that. Okay.
Is that with the concat?
Yeah, so I was expecting it to become a little more intelligent, but that was like stupid. Interesting. Hold on a second. I thought it would be a little more interesting to do that.
Well, the thing is like the concat function expects arrays.
Array of strings, array of number. Okay, yeah.
Just
Array of,
in general.
okay, so even if I gave string also, it will treat it as an array of string. The spread operator seems to be a lot more easier to work with. Because I didn't have to do too much of thinking in that way. Okay, so that looks okay. I thought there was a function called push. Okay, so I was exploring that. Okay, it will give you only the count. Okay, it is not going to give you the. I'll just share that, but it didn't give you the. I was expecting a different output, but yeah. Then I understood that push really does something else rather than. Hold on, sending it in the chat. So. Just try out this push function. Actually, it's giving you the result as total count of numbers as 6. I was expecting. Like in a stack, right? You just add one above the other kind of thing.
That's what I figured as well.
So that's what I was looking at.
Still gives the same error. The push isn't the problem, just the concat again.
Yeah. Yeah, people generally use concat only, I guess. That's what I'm observing. A lot. And the worst case, they use spread operator. Oh, like that. I'll give you one. Just try out this. This seems to be okay. They have made it more complicated than what it's.
So, for the thing you just sent me,
Hold on. Yeah, but here is one another example. I'm sending it to you right now. See how this works.
Yeah. Oh. So the spread operator works.
Yeah, okay. Sorry, I didn't know that you had not explored it. Spread operator works, but I was trying to use something like a push operator, push function.
Yeah. So I'm wondering, another question.
Push. Okay, so you're doing array.push. Okay. Internally, you're using spread operator. I think it should merge even for strings also. At the end of the day, they all behave the same.
So with the push, you're modifying the original array or the first array, right?
Yeah, pushing the elements into the array, other array. Yeah.
So like if the array one was a specific type, let's say number, and array two was string, this operation would fail.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, push function is more like, how do I say? It merges, or you can combine multiple things. It's similar to the JavaScript push operators.
Yeah.
The push method appends the given elements of the last array. I'm sending that in the chat. Okay, return the length of the new array. But I wanted the contents of the array. Okay, so let me see what have we tried. Okay, let me see if any other interesting. Okay, so I will show you one another way of creating an object. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so if you observe here, I have. So if you observe here, I have a class student, and first name I have all commented it, but instead I have declared in the constructor only.
Okay.
That also is one another way of doing the same thing in. You can as well have the first name string and all those things, or you can even say public directly. It will automatically create the member variables.
So okay.
So remember that we used to try, like we could as well in the constructor, we just specify first name, those kind of things. We can as well mention it in the arguments in the constructor itself, that is will be treated the same.
Okay, I guess that's shorter.
Yeah, so just try, like say for example, add a display name and then print the first name, last name, age, and so on, just to check if it works the same.
Okay. Oh, should I use concat?
Yeah, that is fine. That has nothing to do with the approach. Our exploration is around the behavior of the member variables.
Okay. So now I need to call the function. So oh, I'm doing it again, and Oh. Wait, how do I declare a new object?
Same what we did last time. Remember that we did the employee equals to new employee. Same way, student equals to new student. There is equals missing there. Let student equals.
Okay, I have to do that separately.
Yeah. Yeah, because you're creating an object. That is only a structure what you created above.
Okay.
And then you print the student data.
Oh. Okay, it concatenates, but it doesn't add the space in between.
Hold on a second. Yeah, that's okay. Space is not the important.
Okay.
Yeah, why would it add space? I don't think it will add any space. That's okay.
Okay.
The behavior of concat is exactly the same, so there's nothing wrong in that. You can add a space if you like. Concat, then put an empty string.
Yeah.
That's all right. That's all you can do.
That's fine.
No
That's
problem.
fine.
But the behavior is of that. How do you create that object? Kind of.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's fine. 1 second. So I'll give you one another example like interfaces. Okay. Sorry, my machine is a little slow.
Okay.
Hold on a second. So this all seems to be okay. Okay. So just try out this. In the meantime, I'll give you one more example. So you could as well create a person object by.
Oh.
Sorry. So first you define a structure and then you add functions associated with that. So this is like a type template. So that completed. Okay, first back it up. Yeah, no problem. So this is just like there's something called like a type template where in JavaScript at least you could declare a function or you can modify the structure and everything. But in TypeScript you need to specify a dummy template at least. They call it like type templates.
Okay. Yep. Hello, Tom. Person is object. Yeah, hello. Okay.
It's like structure basically, like an employee object like that.
Yeah. And then you. Okay. So when you give an object a function as this property value, that's called a
Right.
template.
Yeah.
Okay.
The previous one that where you specify like function with an empty opening and closing, just to specify. This is more like you give the property or the function behavior later rather than initially itself. So
Okay.
remember in JavaScript we used to have something called prototype objects. So
Yeah. I was
you
like,
could have more
yeah.
properties here.
I think that's how the array prototype works as well, right?
I think internally it uses it. We don't specify directly. Internally, when it builds the JavaScript, it automatically takes care of that. So
Yeah. Okay. Do you think using a class is better than type templates?
uh, not like that. Most importantly, is like the class provides you like a structure, and the objects are the ones which has value.
Yeah.
So what kind of structure you have is not that important. Rather, how your object plays the role in executing and carrying out the, how do I say, responsibilities would be making more sense.
Okay.
See, I can have a blueprint of a house, but the blueprint is just a blueprint unless you really construct an instance of the house.